Everyone wants to earn a side income, enough of it for them to live an extravagant lifestyle and save for their next generation. Unfortunately, not many people are able to accomplish this goal. The smart ones, however, have been able to make the most of the internet to double or even triple their earnings. Methods such as SEO, Facebook ads, etc. are commonly used for driving sales for an online business. You can tap into these techniques as well, but not everyone can, since not everyone has interest or knowledge in these areas. If you would also like to learn another way, a simpler one, to make lots of money through the internet, then one program you can follow is $1,000 a day Fast Track by Merlin Homes. This program talks about how you can bring in website traffic, capture email contacts, and promote products to these contacts to make money. You learn special tricks and techniques which you may not ever have heard of before. When the program initially starts, you may think that you already have knowledge about a lot of the first steps that you are taught, but as it goes on you learn some secrets that can help you with making money fast and effectively through the internet. What does this training program teach you? As mentioned above, this program is mainly about affiliate and email marketing. $1,000 a day Fast Track talks about how you can gather a large target audience and a lot of subscribers and sell products. You can gather traffic by means of underground sources that are cheaper than even Google and Facebook. Here are 5 simple steps in which this program teaches you how to make money. 1. Learn what would be the right product to sell. You first learn what are some popular products that are being sold and where they are being sold. You, of course, do not have to create these products or purchase them to resell them. You're only going to affiliate market these products, which means you're going to sell other people's products and earn a commission on it. 2. Learn what headlines will capture attention. Ads are an important part of how this program teaches you to make money. Since you will be buying and placing ads at your own pace, you are the sole decider of how fast and how much money you want to make with this program. You will be shown how to pick popular headlines and use them in such a way that you can drive results and make money. 3. Learn how to make poll pages. Poll pages help connect 2 steps: the offer and the ad. This program teaches you which psychological triggers to use for the purpose of attracting customers and making them participate. The key is to incite curiosity. You are taught the A to Z of setting up these pages, from the pop-ups to use to the legal aspect of the pages and the images to use. 4. Learn how to present an offer. In this next step, you're taught how you can present an offer to a potential customer to interest him or her enough to fetch their email and send them promotions. The main deal is to present an offer through email to subscribers in your database, and to lure them into purchasing this product. When a person ends up buying your products, you get to make profits. 5. Learn how to follow this procedure in a loop. Of course, once you keep doing what you learn from this program, that is, keep creating polls, sending more traffic to your pages, and collecting emails to promote different products, you will be able to make a lot of profits. You can reinvest these profits into more advertising and speed up the process of making money for yourself. This is the last thing that you're taught in this program. Conclusion: email is the cheapest way to market a product with the highest ROI, return on investment. 99% of users check their emails almost every day. Targeting the right audience helps to generate more sales, which means more profit. The mentor has created this course from his 16 years of experience. This course is going to be something different from all such kind of online classes widely available. The results seen after attending the course were seen amazing. Even I felt to participate in this program of them were able to earn $200 a day. I was also able to meet students who were already making as high as $1,000 per day post completion of the course. So far as mentioned in this 1K a day fast track review. In case if you attend this program and feel that it is not worth it or not able to make income as you wish, there's no need to regret it. The program comes with a 30 days money back guarantee, that too with a 100% refund, and no questions asked.